Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to share a short video about this absolutely superb and very rare Triumph Rocket TFC. Here we have a Triumph Rocket 3 TFC. This is a 2020 bike on a private plate with just 1,437 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is absolutely stunning. TFC standing for Triumph Factory Custom. Most of the parts on this bike that are accessories you cannot get as a Triumph accessory unless you buy a Triumph Factory Custom machine like this. When they came out in 2020, they sold like hotcakes. I can tell you, producing just 750 of these worldwide. This one is number 83 and it is absolutely spotless. The bar end and the mirror and the lever all in great condition. The petrol tank, the paintwork there, that special TFC paint design in absolutely superb condition, as you can see there. And the seats also a unique design, and this one does have the black backrest on it. They did have a silver one as standard. This one has got the accessory black one, which really finishes the job. You've got these unique Arrow carbon fibre tipped silencers as well, which are absolutely superb and a thing of beauty. All the engine and the pipework there in pristine condition with those carbon fibre heat shields as well. 2,500 cc, so plenty of engine for anybody there, I would imagine. Bags of power, bags of torque, of course. A rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one there, and the rear wheel in excellent condition there, as you can see. Single-sided swing arm on the Rocket. Carbon fibre hugger, and your rear shock in there is all clean as a whistle as well. LED indicators on this one, of course, and just look at those clamps. Everything about this bike is just thought through and looks absolutely superb. Carbon fibre front mudguard is unmarked, as you can see there. Radiator guards, all good as well. Brembo brakes. Front wheel in excellent condition there, as you can see. Front tyre, loads of life left in that one as well. There's a fly screen there as well, on top of that carbon fibre screen. These unique LED headlamps there, all in great condition, no stone chips or damage there. The left hand side of the bike, exactly the same, nothing to apologise for at all. All your mirror, bar end and the lever all in excellent condition. Indicators all good, fork legs with those black sliders looking absolutely brilliant, and the front wheel on this left hand side, again, immaculate. Quick shifter of course on the Triumph Rocket as well. And the Arrow exhaust on this other side, of course it's a 3-cylinder bike, so there's 3 exhausts, and there's the other one, again with that carbon fibre tip. Carbon fibre heat shields and heel plates all around. Carbon fibre engine embellisher there as well. And all the paintwork on the petrol tank is immaculate. Fold out rear foot pegs, of course, on the Triumph Rocket. And the rear mudguard there, all in great condition as well. There's your foot peg. The shaft housing itself, all absolutely in superb condition. And the hugger on the rear mudguard there, as you can see, with that carbon fibre part as well, looking absolutely brilliant. No rips or tears in the top of the bike there, in the seat at all. Carbon fibre tank strap and the colour dash there. Triumph heated grips fitted as well, Monza fuel cap, cruise control, traction control, ABS, all your usual things. I will just show you the plaque on the front there, hopefully you can see that. Number 83 of 750 worldwide, so a real rare motorcycle indeed. If you are looking for a rare classic, future classic motorcycle, look no further than this stunning Rocket Triumph Factory Custom. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Triumph, then please do get in touch. Either by phone or via the website, I'd be delighted to take an inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.